Stop wasting your time on basic, ineffective routines that leave your lower body weak and undeveloped. True physical power is built from the ground up, starting with deep, massive quads and thick, explosive hamstrings. Today, we are unlocking that raw leg strength, building bulletproof calves, and carving out serious lower body power. These 6 high-intensity leg workouts will completely redefine your physical potential. Let us build greatness together. Let's go. Exercises 1. Dumbbell heels elevated goblet squat to calf raise. Imagine fusing deep quad development with explosive calf power in one relentless movement. By elevating your got chun on weight plates, you shift the center of gravity to target your quadriceps with surgical precision. Hold a dumbbell tight to your chest, sink into a deep squat, then forcefully drive up and finish by exploding onto your toes. Your quads and calf muscles will be screaming under this intense tension. This creates bulletproof knee stability and massive lower leg power. Hit 4 sets of 12 reps to ignite growth. Focus and dominate this movement. Forget traditional hamstring routines, because we are using a brilliant mechanical trick to force maximum growth with exercises 2. Dumbbell Sumo Romanian Deadlift. Step into a wide sumo stance and press the front of your upper thighs firmly against a locked barbell on the rack. This barbell serves as a fixed blocking point, preventing your hips from shifting forward or backward. Hold your dumbbells and fold your entire upper body straight down toward the floor while keeping your legs locked. Because your hips cannot move, this custom setup forces your upper hamstrings and lower glutes to bear an unbelievable isolated stretch. It completely eliminates lower back momentum, forcing your legs to do all the work. Perform 4 sets of 10 deeply controlled reps to unlock serious posterior power. Let us work. Are you ready to challenge your balance and shatter old plateaus with an elite old-school movement? Exercises 3. Barbell Jefferson Split Squat. Straddle a vertical barbell, placing 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. Then grip the steel with 1 hand in front and 1 hand behind. As you lower your hips, the central load forces your front quad and back hip stabilizers to fire like a rocket. This unique straddle alignment targets your hidden muscle fibers, throwing an intense asymmetrical load onto the front quad, leading hamstring, and deep glute stabilizers. This unique angle targets hidden muscle fibers, correcting strength imbalances between your legs. It delivers unmatched functional mobility and athletic power. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per side. Stay sharp and strong. Let us strip away the machines and bring back the legendary raw power of exercises 4. Barbell Hack Squat. With the barbell resting behind your heels, squat down, grip the steel, and drive through your midfoot to stand upright. This vintage movement completely overloads the anterior chain, forcing your quadriceps to lift the weight without relying on your lower back. It carves out that deep, iconic quad sweep and builds supreme grip strength. Push through 4 sets of 8 heavy reps. Embrace the burn and keep driving. We are about to completely isolate your lower body by entirely removing the heavy load from your spine with exercises 5. Weighted belt squat. Stand tall on 2 separate platforms, strap on a heavy dip belt, and let the plates hang directly below your center mass. Lower your hips into a deep squat, passing parallel, and feel your quads and glutes load up like a coiled spring. Because your spine is completely free from compression, you can safely train to absolute muscle failure. This movement builds massive thigh thickness and explosive drive. Force yourself through 4 sets of 15 deep, burning reps. Victory belongs to the relentless. Finally, we face the ultimate test of human strength, the undisputed king of all compound movements with exercises 6. Barbell Deadlift. Walk up to the barbell, place your feet under the steel, and lock your mind into absolute focus. Grip the bar, pull your chest up, and rip the weight off the floor using your entire body. Your hamstrings, glutes, core, and upper back must violently contract together to lock out the weight. This builds brutal, total body mass, increases raw power, and triggers a massive natural growth response. This is where champions are forged. Execute 5 heavy sets of 5 reps with flawless technique. Leave everything you have on the gym floor. If you are feeling stuck, confused about form, or struggling to see real progress, please drop a comment below. Share your challenges with me, because I want to help you overcome them. Subscribe to this channel, join our strong community, and let us grow stronger together every single day.